we are going to review Harry Potter X Cleo na collection nila. So, ayan. So, meron silang cushion. Actually, it has 3 shades. So, ayan. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, I think this shade is 21C. 21C Lingerie. Ito yung exact shade ko sa cushion. Cushion is very nice to blend it off. Grabe, nice to blend it off in fairness. Kanina kamay, let's see if we are going to blend this on sponge. In fairness, in fairness, pag-blend mo ng sponge. Ang ganda ng finish niya. Very Hogwarts. It's giving me a magic vibes with this one. Ay, super. I'm in love with those kind of finishes. Or siyang foundation guys, in fairness. Alam mo, magkakapit-info ka. Pero ito lang ay may pagka-dewy finish ha. Hindi siya yung matte finish kasi hindi siya nagtatanggal ng mga redness on my face. You need time to blend this out. Talaga. You need more layers for this one. So in this collection, it has 3 different types of eyeshadow palette. So the first one is, I think this is the browns. This one, the first one, yung may kotse. The second one, this is called this is Ronald Weasley. Then this is Hermione Granger, yung medyo may pagka-warm with glitters. And ito ay Harry Potter. So we are going to swatch all of the eyeshadows here one by one. Shades sa Harry Potter na palette: Ginger Cream, Harry Glasses, Secret Haze, Red Festa, Hogwarts Stamp, Marauder Steps, Dear Fade, Golden Amber, Diagon Alley, and Platform 95. Then meron ditong Soft Beige and Cloakville, yung last 2 shades dito sa palette na to. So, ito yung sa Harry Potter palette. Yung swatches nila. Ito kay Hermione Granger, Sparkle Magenta, Hermione Swan. Okay. Soulwire, Peony Dress, Starbright, Precious Lavender, Hermione Swan, Sparkle Magenta, and Sparkle Magenta, Glimmer Jelly, Quill, Prettiest Eyes, Hogwarts Textbook, Love Potion, and Fudge Brown. Ito yung swatches ng palette ni Hermione. Ito yung sa Ronald Weasley. Okay. Crush Vanilla, Sorting Hat, Reflecting Peach, Mellow Coral, Hazelnut Brown, Forest Brown, Ron Scarf, Glitter Wish, Sweater, Lovely Pumpkin, Howler, and Dazzling Road. Ito yung shades, all shades, swatches ng Ronald Weasley. What's my favorite to put on the eye makeup? Itong si Hermione Granger. So we are going to contour our eyes using this first 2 shades in here. Okay. Mas palang ang ganda ha. Okay. We're going to elevate this hues with this pink shade in here. Okay. Nasa-sense ko siya na napakaganda tong palette na ito. No, it means it's so easy to blend siya pero may konting hindi siya patchy guys yung kanyang palette with this one as you can see. Then we're going to use this shade, blend it all here. In fairness gusto ko tong palette ni Hermione. It gives me, super duper love. Love with this one. Then we'll put shimmer. Ayan, pag shimmer, napakaganda talaga. Pet Malu with this one. And it gives me wow. Super wow with this color. Oh my god, I super duper love it. Ayan, maganda siya talaga. Then we're gonna combine this color. Konting shimmer. Okay, maganda tong kulay na to, guys. And I super duper love this. Ang ganda, promise. Final review with this Harry Potter collection diffusion. I super duper love it because you can use this for retouch. So, retouch tayo ng konti using this one. Ayan, kasi kahit gumamit ka ng iba't ibang klaseng sponge. In fairness, mas pala yung pagka. Ayan. But the problem with here is, it gives me dewy finish. But, kung usapang matte finish siya, hindi talaga. Kasi, na-observe ko siya, yung redness sa aking face, hindi siya natatakpan. Nandun pa rin yung redness. Yung itchiness, redness, andyan pa rin, oh. Ayan. Halata siya, guys. Kung titingnan ninyo with this cushion. Pwede siyang pa-retouch, guys. And this is a good cushion. This is a good cushion that was taken observed. And lastly, yung palettes nila. The palettes are so good. I super love the palettes. Ito yung ginamit ko, yung swatches. Sa swatches nila, halatang maganda yung shade range. Maganda ang shade range nila in this palette. Talaga, it impressify every character na Harry Potter. Kung Harry Potter fan kayo, alam niyo kung sino. Ang ginamit ko dito ay si Hermione. Kasi ito yung maganda na nagagandahan ako, naiinganyo ako. Also, the packaging, I love. Di ba yung mga each shade because it exemplifies each character sa Harry Potter. So, that's my review. Yun lang sa Harry Potter X Leo. Yun lang. Finish na. So, meron tayong, there's new shades na tinted lip glaze ng Sunny Space. Here are all the shades. This is Beat, Sour Plum, Fancy, Jolly, and Chameleon. So, we are going to swatch this on the lips para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura sa aking lips. This is in the shade Beat. This is in the shade Sour Plum. This is in the shade Fancy. Ganda, diba? The shade Dolly. Ito yung color adapting shade nila. This is in the shade Chameleon. Okay, how much I love their lip glaze and tinted lip glaze. Okay, etong new shades nila, nag-expand sila for more shades. That's how I appreciate Sunny Space for more. Especially, nagko-color adapt siya. Naglabas sila ng sariling color changing, adapting shade. Pero, konti lang yung lumalabas. Sana yung parang color adapting yung ano nila. Pero, it depends on the color of your lips. Very sweet pa yung scent niya. I super duper love it. And, yung shade nila, shade range nila is almost in a plum side, brown side. Tapos yung isa sa favorite ko ay si Fancy. And of course, this too. Ito yung top. Lahat sila favorite ko in all new shades. So, that's my review for Sunny Space na bagong shades ng kanilang tinted lip glaze. Yun lang. Yun siya.